Hi everyone, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat. I'm here with a 2-Minute Tuesday where I give you a feature of Plan to Eat or a meal planning tip in 2 minutes or less. Today I want to talk to you about the print features in the Plan to Eat mobile app. If you didn't know already, you can print both recipes and your shopping list from the mobile app. So to print a recipe, all you need to do is tap on the 3-dot menu on a recipe. It's going to open up a full menu for you and you'll select the print recipe option. That's going to direct you to a PDF of that recipe, which you can then send to your printer and get printed off. If you want to print your shopping list, you are going to be in the Shop tab. You will tap the 3-dot menu up in the corner of the Shop tab. There'll be an option to print your shopping list. It's going to do the same thing, redirect you to a PDF that you can then send to your printer, and voila! You can have recipes printed, you can have your shopping list printed so that you could take it to the grocery store with you if you wanted. I've added help articles for both of these printing options to the video description, so make sure to go check those out if you have any questions. You can also email us at help@plantoeat.com. Thanks for watching.